Good morning, mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2019. Please rise. Place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, and one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. We do not have any birthdays to celebrate, but we have quite a few tomorrow. So here's another picture of my dog Bear. He's so cute, I know. Our value and culture focus today is Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. You're in the middle of the week. Gotta push through to the end and try your very best. And idea 25, greet visitors and make them feel welcome. Again, our daily announcement is to make sure that you are in uniform, so check your uniform right now. And make sure that if you do have a non-idea jacket on, you're taking it off, putting it in your backpack, or giving it to your homeroom teacher. Make sure that you have your ID out, and if you've misplaced it, that tomorrow you bring $5. Also a reminder that today is Wednesday, and that means you return to your third block for academic block today. Another reminder, you can wear an idea jacket, and you can wear a long sleeve shirt under your polo if you get colds, but you are not allowed to wear a non-idea jacket. Also, a few other reminders about the cafeteria. Make sure that when you enter the cafeteria, it's the same way that you do every single day, and that you are walking. Once you grab your food, please find a seat at the designated table for your homeroom. And remember, you do not get up to ask for going to the restroom or ask to get a drink of water. You must be sitting and raising your hand with the designated hand signal and waiting for someone to give you permission. And make sure that you're cleaning up after yourself and that you're throwing away the food and either stacking the trays or handing them to the lunch monitors. Some other announcements. Make sure that you focus in and put to use your social emotional lesson for the week, thinking before you speak, making sure that you're intentional about your words. And today we have a lot of prep for exams, but we do not have any exams. But tomorrow and Friday are full of exams, so make sure that you're paying attention in class. And we have our special announcements for Friday. Make sure that you're telling your parents and guardians about our Fall Fest after school on Friday. It will be lots of fun. All your teachers will be there, and there will be fun, food, prizes, and lots of games. Also, we are raffling off the bikes on Friday, which is another really fun thing, celebrating perfect attendance for the past 2 weeks. Also Friday, instead of wearing your college shirts, you may wear pink. As long as you are covered the same way your regular uniform covers you, you may wear anything pink. Also, yesterday, congratulations, you guys. Really, really great job. We had about 12 scholars out on Tuesday, so that means we hit over 98% attendance. So we exceeded our goal of 97.5. Make sure that you do what you did yesterday. Make sure you tell your parents to bring you to school every single day, because we have our attendance challenge on Friday for the regular every week challenge with our toys and prizes. And then we have, as long as you're here all 5 days this week, you get a ticket in the raffle to win a brand new bicycle. All right, we're going to say the Runberg Academy chant. Let's do it together. Ready and go. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. today I will not give up. Make it a wonderful Wednesday. Remember, the choice is yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to take attendance and call parents of the students who are not in your classroom, and make sure that you message the ADA GroupMe to alert us who is out and what the reason is. Thank you all so much for your hard work in meeting ADA yesterday. Have a great day.